Excellency Muzei wa kazi Kaguta Muzei wa kazi Luya a Bosmic original forever.
Was mistreated by some crooks and intimidated and forced to flee to Nairobi, to South Sudan, unfairly and falsely accused. They even said he was a rebel.
I ran for my life. It was very shameful when members of the same party, my own party NRM, our own members, our friends, turning against me after the elections just because of rewards that we were supposed to get. Me as the mobilizer, chief mobilizer Greater North, I was denied facilitations, and yet I managed to do a very good, successful mobilization for NRM, and we got the results together.
Muzei wa kazi Kaguta Muzei wa kazi Pole kazi Yoweri pole kazi Pole kazi Yoweri pole
Marayo Tangwa eni mirulwa Tiro eni weng Yal kadeka Aha What do we do?
Ruba, Samitach, at Bonfire. We are discussing the importance of wealth creation as a to improve the livelihoods of our people. Agricultural development. Through your very own son, Honorable Bosmic Otim Pariemo and Togopere Albert. This is Coordinator General KDP, Kagatit Loyal Party. I want him to give you a clear message from our President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta. Give them the message.
God is good all the time. All the time. We bring to you greetings from General Right Honorable Richard Odwong, comes from Acholi. The Commander Reserve Forces, General Otema, comes from Acholi. Minister of Disasters and Preparedness, Unek Hillary, comes from Acholi. State Minister of Environment and Water, Beatrice Atimanywa, comes from Acholi. The State Minister for Disasters and Preparedness, Liliana Bear, comes from Acholi. The Commander, the Deputy IGP, comes from Acholi, comes from Atiak. The Deputy Commissioner of Prisons comes from Kodgoma, that is in Acholi. And then another position is the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Water, comes from Pate. All these are positions that the government of Uganda has given us in trust of Acholi as a tribe. Can we clap our
value addition?
Gin mapat ma Arabi wenti ni mo position dimene peke gin mo allo gin mo position dimo mabe kuom gamete ento en mekilu gima gamete kili ni en pekilu amiri kongwani ankalu katika kare pi numeri yina pia opposition pi ya gamete ni raj pewa miro kwa gamete ni ento arabiri opposition gino mama opposition kilu kitano peke yin kwa sima gino opposition kilu magamete patriotism ni kwa sima weranen energy warugo mere t-shirt kwa sima mere gino opposition kilu mapat kidore kogi mapat kidogo chipiki mapat kidim mapat kimaki kwere.
Industrialization.
NRM, because of the four core values, I bring you greetings from NRM Secretariat, from Right Honorable Richard Odwong. Can you leave way, please?
So that we can continue to see the development that we are seeing now in Atiak. The government has brought a number of initiatives, including Atiak Sugar Factory, where the economy is expected to be boosted through the production of sugarcane into sugar. We are bordering South Sudan, and the trade that is currently at the Lagos border is being promoted through the Pan-Africanism spirit. And we ask the government of Uganda to continue fast-tracking the regional integration so that our products can really go to the region of East Africa, so that our products can go to South Sudan, it can go to Kenya,
Infrastructure development.
I also thank the people of Atiak,
education and skills development,
from the Mali community.
access to capital.
Separation or
Mzee wa kazi kakuta mzee wa kazi, mzee wa kazi kakuta mzee wa kazi, pone kazi toweri pone kazi.
Team, pe mabiri pachuli kake mapol, pe mabiri pachuli ki jome Western Uganda, jome Western Uganda, joma aki Central Uganda, Ibuganda, joma aki Kamokene, Rwenzori region, Akedia, Kasese, Bodaka Palisa, Jinja, Iganga, Puchiri, Kakamoge Ken, pe mabiri po achuli kika keme Uganda, pe menye Bosmic Otim.
we want to thank the government of His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni and the NRM as a party for giving an enabling environment so that investors are allowed to stay in Noya. You can see another town council is different from other town councils that are near. Am I lying? If you see another town council, the way it is coming, the roads are good, there's electricity, and a number of infrastructures. The health center has been upgraded. Why am I saying all this? I'm saying all this to thank the government of NRM. We will not accept any opposition continuously, not our people. There has been a recent riot in Kenya and a number of politicians who are moving around to incite people. We cannot accept rioting anywhere in our country. We have a different case and the government is doing all it takes.
Chief Mobilizer, Greater North, and Bosmic Regional Sana Joyce. Producer Batman Koda, Nile Republic, Lolo Romeo Paul, Salama, one of them the people of Weyale Chirandongo, we have brought a very good message from His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda. None other than Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has given a clear message of hope to the youth and the whole people of Chirandongo, Weyale. I have my brother here, and I would love to invite him, Mr. Tugupe Albert, to communicate
from people who claim to be opposition and yet they are riding on people. The first and most important thing I want to tell you today is to begin by loving yourself. Love yourself, love your family, love your tribe, love your region, and love Uganda. And if you love yourself and you love your family, you cannot accept to be deceived by opposition to go and riot. Because if you go and riot, people's property will be destroyed, you will be arrested, and you can be killed. In that way, we sum it as patriotism. It is on that basis that we have come up with the E1. Amaru kanamara kwere ya yom anadugan akili wukwera babe Ladit President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta wajire miro anadugan Pierre Jeje mukere batimone mukere betwero Domi papo Pero mati ya ba Pi pero metela Achuli ki mati pero pecare ma laaj la boa yela ento pe miri metera lo tera tiga gwa widano kare ko magi tiga ko kum gamenda kare ne weti mete gi beri tera ameda mok yuni chilling mukati e budget no puru kare ni biliona bero mukati pudong kachiro kangio lo pa ngia ke ken chi noni apa magi lo yeni odia bere bere gangwan bere bere me PDM gamendo chwalo ni umirobien bodu ento lutela wa gerie gechako kechoyo wadiki wakoye mon makinyomotuki lutena nyiragi mon dome liki by the time madongi upuri
Another one, me tell you the fear. Support the government. You want a good future. Support the government. You want prosperity. Support the government. Government the children.
Punyo tano kumenu. Aneno tuandega muti umano kite. Adajo mano kite. Aneno tuandega muti umano kite. Mero eleva. Dago yela. Tung yela kare ukaro. Eleva larba kanyera matino. Dago yela. Larba ki buluba yela wobe. Mero eleva. Kila yelu ina wobe madung. Chaji ba wode. Where to the job, my God?
You and I, let's stick together for our country. You and I, let's stand together for our country. PLU, youth, YYM, youth, in our country.
Support the government,
our people.
Support the government,
Our people.
Support the government,
Our people. Government to change.
Respect the government,
Our people.
Respect the government,
Our people.
Respect the government,
Our people. Government to change.
Support the government,
My people.
Support the government,
Our people.
Support the government,
Our people. Government to change.
President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta has now rescued me 2 times. President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta has now rescued me 2 times from the hands of my own brothers and sisters from Acholi land. My own brothers and sisters hailing from the same region, northern Uganda, Acholi sub-region. I repeat, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta, has now rescued me. Honorable Bosmic Otim Pariemo, I have been rescued from the hands of my own brothers and sisters of Acholi land who are in the political arena. I have been rescued from their hands 2 times now by President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta. Why am I coming to tell you this? If I can remember, during my time when I was still in NUP, People Power. Remember, People Power in northern Uganda started with me as the sole coordinator for the entire Greater North.